Hello, good morning students. This is CR Sir, Mathematics. So today I am going to discuss exponential function, logarithmic function, then how to find out domain and range of the logarithmic functions. So I am going to discuss 3 or 4 problems. First, to see that exponential function, a function of the form y is equal to f of x, that is equal to a power x, is called an exponential function, where a is not equal to 1 and a greater than 0 and x is belongs to, for all real numbers, the function is exist. A function of the form f of x is equal to a power x is called an exponential function, where base a is always should be positive, but a is not equal to 1. So the function, when it is defined, means in place of x, substitute any real number, it is going to exist. Now, the domain of given function is for all real numbers. X belongs to R. But observe the range. In place of x, for suppose substitute negative values, I am taking -1. So what we are getting, see here, f of -1 is equal to a power -1, that is 1 by a. A is some constant, that is positive. So 1 by a also, it is greater than 0 or not? Greater than 0. If take x is equal to 0, then what happens? See, f of 0, that is equal to a power 0. Anything power 0, 1. 1 also greater than 0 or not? If take x is equal to 1, then what is f of 1? F of 1 is equal to a power 1. That is a. This is also greater than 0. So input, that means x value, substitute any real number, negative values, positive values, and 0. The output, what we are getting, greater than 0. Input is called domain, output is called range. So the range of the exponential function is open interval 0 comma infinite. Domain of exponential function is for all real numbers. Okay. Next, logarithmic function. A function of the form f of x is equal to log x to the base a, where x greater than 0 and a is also greater than 0 and a not equal to 1 is called logarithmic function. A function of the form f of x is equal to log x to the base a is called logarithmic function. X is greater than 0, a is greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. Okay, logarithmic function is not defined for negative and 0. The logarithmic function is exist for only positive values. So the domain of the logarithmic function is only positive values, that is 0 to infinite open interval. Then what about range? Range means output. In place of x, substitute any positive real number. So the output will come either positive or 0 or negative, anyone. So that means range of logarithmic function is minus infinite comma infinite. So these are the exponential function and logarithmic function, domain and range. Now I am going to discuss that on problem C here. The domain of the function f of x is equal to logarithm of minus x square plus 3x minus 2 to the base e. Base e, base 10, base 3, base 4, whatever may be, no problem. So the logarithmic function, when it is exist, the function minus x square plus 3x minus 2. If it is greater than 0, then logarithmic function is defined. Take minus common and send to right hand side. We get x square minus 3x plus 2. The symbol is going to change, less than 0. So here this is a quadratic equation. Split into factors. Finally we'll get the factors like this. X minus 1 into x minus 2 less than 0. By observing wavy curve method, draw the number line. This is infinite. This is minus infinite. So what are the numbers here? 1 and 2. So we know that wavy curve method, first it is positive, next negative, next positive. Less than 0 means it is negative. These values we want to consider. So therefore, x belongs to open interval 1 comma 2. X means this is a domain now, or we can write another way also. 1 less than x less than 2. Finally, domain of function, domain of f of x is, what is that? Open interval 1 comma 2. Right? This is a very easy question and important. Next, see the second one. Find the domain of the following functions. So I am going to discuss that a bit. First, what is there? Root is there. So here two cases are possible. In first case, when the root is exist, greater than or equal to 0 means it is exist. So that means logarithm of 5x minus x square by 4 to the base 10 is always greater than or equal to 0 means the function is exist. Another condition, what is that? Inside a logarithmic function is there. Logarithm when it is exist, it is greater than 0 means exist. Greater than 0. Now, first see that logarithm, by using logarithmic definition, we get 5x minus x square divided by 4 is greater than or equal to 10 power 0. 10 power 0 is how much? 1. Take the cross multiplication. 5x minus x square greater than or equal to 4 minus x square plus 5x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Take minus common and send to right hand side. We get x square minus 5x plus 4 less than or equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. Split into factors. Then observe that what we get. So here factors are 4 1 now. So x minus 1 into x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So by using wavy curve method, draw the number line, infinite, minus infinite. The numbers are 1 and 4. So we know that wavy curve method means positive, negative, positive. So here they are asking only negative values. X belongs to closed 1 comma 4. Why I am written closed? Here equality symbol is there. The numbers are included. This is only in first case. Then what about second case? See the second case, 5x minus x square greater than 0 minus x square, or take minus common, send to right hand side. We get x square minus 5x less than 0. So take x common, x into x minus 5 less than 0. So this is, I am writing x minus 0 into x minus 5 less than 0. Draw the number line. This is infinite. This is a minus infinite. 0. This is 5. So this is positive, negative, positive. So here this is a negative. So x belongs to what we get open interval 0 comma 5. So this is second case. Now the point of intersection of first and second both we have to observe. Then we get that domain of the function. See here, first function 1 to 4, that too closed interval. This is first function. Observe the second function. This is a 1 now. This is 0. This is 5. Now what we get? 0 to 5. This is open bracket. So we get like this. What is the intersection part here? Intersection part. Here the intersection part is x belongs to closed 1 comma 4. Or this is, we can write another way also, 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. Finally, domain of the function. Domain means x values only. Domain of f of x is what? Closed interval 1 comma 4. Okay. Next, I am going to second problem here. Second problem. What is their second problem? See, what is there? Logarithm of b bit f of x is equal to logarithm of base 10 here, logarithm of base 10, logarithm of base 10, logarithm of x to the base 10 or what? See the question once again. How many logarithms are there? 4 logarithms. So base 10. Okay. When the function is defined, observe that one logarithm, this part, if it is greater than 0, is the first case. Logarithm of base 10, logarithm of base 10, logarithm of x to the base 10. These function greater than 0 means it is exist. And finally, first logarithm, observe here, first logarithm, this is, what is there? X is there. When it is exist, if x greater than 0. So this is first case, this is second case. There are two cases. So in first case, observe that by using logarithmic definition, log 10, log x to the base 10 greater than. This logarithm send right hand side, we get 10 power 0. That is 1. Again apply the logarithmic definition. Log x to the base 10 greater than 10 power 1. Again apply the logarithmic definition. This value is 10. X greater than 10 power 10. And in second case, x greater than 0. X greater than 0. Draw the number line. This is infinite. This is minus infinite. Or suppose this is 0. For suppose I am taking here 10 power 10. Now observe that x greater than 0. This is first function. 0 to up to infinite. And where is the second function? Like this. So what is the intersection part? Greater than 10 power 10 only. Finally, x belongs to open interval 10 power 10 up to infinite. So the domain of the logarithmic function is x belongs to 10 power 10 comma infinite. So are you understood now, students? This is also a very, very important question. Okay. Next, I'm going to another question. This is the last one today. See this. This is a fourth question. Find the domain of the function. Here logarithm is there and root is there. So once see this small conditions, f of x is equal to 1 by logarithm of g of x to the base a. So logarithm function is exist for greater than 0 and base a is always greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. And here logarithm is there in denominator. So g of x is not equal to 1. Why I am writing this? Log 1, 0, 1 by 0, undefined. The function cannot be defined. So here two functions are there. Find separately. Next, finally, we can write a combined equation. First, I am going to observe that logarithmic function. So 1 minus x is greater than 0, comma 1 minus x is not equal to 1. Okay, and root is there. Root when it is exists, if it is greater than or equal to 0. This is the first one. This is second function. 1 minus x greater than 0 means 1 greater than x. That is x less than 1. Here 1 cancel, we get x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0. X less than 1 means that is x belongs to minus infinite comma 1 minus 0. 0 cannot be exist. So here x plus 1 greater than or equal to 0 means x greater than or equal to minus 1. That means x belongs to closed minus 1 comma infinite. Now draw the number line. Draw the number line. So this is infinite. This is minus infinite. Here is the 1. Here is minus 1. Observe that first function open interval 1 to minus infinite. This is total. And observe the second function closed minus 1 to infinite. That means this part. And except to 0. 0 is there in between minus 1 and 1. We want to eliminate that. So by observing the number line, we got answer x belongs to closed minus 1 comma 1 open and exclude 0. Okay. So finally, the domain of the function is x belongs to closed minus 1 comma 0 open union 0 comma 1 open. Open 0 means the 0 is excluded. So both the methods are correct. Okay, right. This is the domain of logarithmic function. I think all of you understood now. Still now, you are not yet subscribed my channel. Please subscribe the channel, like the channel and share to your friends. Okay, I will make more videos. Thank you.